morning mga ka-Agri TV. Good morning mga ka-pets. Welcome sa Christmas episode ng Consult a Vet, your partner in pet care. Since this is the holiday season, most of us ay nagpapakasyon and most of us go out of town. Now, we have a solution for our pets where they can stay, where they are safe and secure and comfortable in the hands of professionals like us. Here at Consult a Vet, we created ang tinatawag naming Pet Cave. It's a pet hotel and boarding facility where you can leave your dogs and cats in a very safe community. Here, we give them medical care, we give them physical activity, we give them socialization with other dogs, and very secure and safe while you're at your vacation. What are the benefits of having a pet hotel and a boarding facility for your pets? Number one, they are safe and secure and comfortable habang sila ay nandito sa pet hotel. Number two, they can have bonding time with other pets where they can socialize. Number three, meron pong professionals na kasama sila, ang tawag po doon, pet sitters and counselors that ensure that the proper and best care ang maipoprovide sa inyong mga pets. And lastly, nandito sila to ensure na sila ay magiging safe and healthy dahil nandito po katabi nila yung Consult a Vet Animal Hospital to ensure their medical needs whenever they need it. What are the services that we offer here in this pet hotel and boarding facilities? We provide exercise and physical activity. Paano po nangyayari yun? Nilalabas po namin yung mga dogs at nilalagay namin sila dito sa playpen for a certain number of hours where they can play with other dogs. We ensure na all dogs here are very healthy. Veterinarian ang mga nandito and professionals ang nandito. Meron tinatawag na pet sitters and counselors who ensure the health care of these animals in this pet hotel. One of the services also is we provide extra care for your dogs through veterinary care. We ensure the medical needs of your dogs are well provided. And we also provide grooming because we have a grooming facility here in this hospital. One of the most popular service na meron kami here is that each cage has a camera wherein the owner will get an access through that camera where they can talk and monitor their pets using their cell phone on a daily basis while their pets are in this facility. Here in this boarding facility, meron po tayong mga requirements na kailangan before you board your dog and cat here. Kailangan nyo pong dalhin yung kanilang vaccination card. Very important po to because they will socialize with other dogs. Without vaccines, maaari silang magkasakit. Dapat meron po silang behavior certificate. Ano pong ibig sabihin nun? Kailangan kung meron pong issues sa behavior ang inyong dog, you should tell us so that we will know if they need to be socialized or not. And last po sa mga requirements, kailangan yung Consult a Vet and our facility should have access to the veterinary records of your dog so that we would know if there are more needs medically na kailangan ng inyong mga pets na kailangan namin gawin on a day-to-day basis. If you want to avail the services of our pet cave or your pet hotel and boarding services, please visit our Consult a Vet Animal Hospital Facebook page and Facebook group, Consult a Vet. Reminder to all to bring your dog to a vet, especially here at Consult a Vet, at our Fairview, Imos Cavite, Capitol Hills Drive, and Tandangsora branches. Dito lang po sa Consult a Vet at sa Agri TV. Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat. Consult a Vet, your partner in pet care.